So SciSpace just released a new update and I'm here to show you what just came out. In a previous video, we discussed in depth the AI agent offered by SciSpace. In the last video, I talked to you about the BioMed agent that just came out, which is a specialized agent for complex biology and medicine tasks and omics tasks. We covered it in depth and we saw how it helps you create images and schematics for your research. Today's new features offer a new way to streamline your research process and to save time, basically. So the first and most interesting feature is the SciSpace library search on the agent. So if you're familiar with the SciSpace interface through our previous videos, you'll know that on the left side there is a panel called My Library, and when you visit it, you'll see all of the PDFs that you uploaded, and we've already covered that in a previous video. We've covered the library and how to upload your own PDF and how to chat with it and how to sort your PDFs and research papers so that you can build your own library and have your own literature in one place. But then a new feature came out, which is the library search on agent. So you use the agent to chat and streamline some of the processes that you usually do on your own, but the agent helps you with literature reviews, writing summaries, etc., and we've covered that previously. But now you can ask the agent to extract information only from your library. I'll upload a paper on the effects of essential oils on the brain or the nervous system. I'll go to my library and upload this paper, and we'll test out the agent and how it extracts information from that paper. And because we're already familiar with the library feature, we know that on the right side there's a summary of the paper and it tells you what it's about. This is a review that synthesizes 10 years of research on essential oils and their effects on the nervous system, and I can save it to the notebook, which we've already covered previously. Okay, so now we're going to test out the agent. We'll choose the all feature because this is the normal agent, not the BioMed one that we covered in the previous video, and we will just ask it to summarize the effects of essential oils on the brain using papers from my library, and let's see how it goes. So what it's doing is that it's searching my SciSpace library for papers on essential oils and brain effects, and it completed the literature search and found this paper that I just uploaded. This is the only relevant paper. It scanned my entire library and found only this one. Now it'll extract comprehensive insights about the effects of essential oil in the brain from this paper. Okay, so now it's created the summary. First of all, a little introduction, mechanism of action, then all of the cognitive neurological effects. And you can see that the only citation is just this one paper, but if I upload more papers, it will definitely extract information from them as well. And the safety limitations. So it summarized the entire paper in this little summary. I can download the summary or copy it or save it to my notebook. So now I'll try to save it to my notebook right here. This means that it'll create a new document or a new notebook to save the summary in there, and this helps me to change the citation style from APA to any other style. These are different journals. I can search the journal that I'm submitting my paper to, and it will automatically change the in-text citation style as well to match the references. There's also another feature that I find very interesting, which is connect apps. You can connect apps to your agent by selecting the connect apps little button here, or you can upload files from your Google Drive, or you can connect other apps like OneDrive, Zotero, and Notion or Slack, and then you will find it on the left side. You can connect or disconnect any app that is already connected. So this can be very helpful because you can specifically ask the agent to only use papers on my Zotero account, and saves a lot of time compared to the classic library method because you don't have to upload any files because the agent pulls data directly from your account. Let's go back to the homepage and ask the agent to create a literature review on a certain topic. So prepare a literature review on the effects of lemongrass on the CNS. But then we will also try out a new feature, which is preparing a report. I'll also prepare a report on this topic. It'll just start preparing a literature review like it did previously. We've covered this feature in another video. I'll link the playlist in the description of this video. Now it's searching different databases for the information that we asked for, and it's now searching PubMed, searching my library, Google Scholar, and SciSpace in general. The point is we're trying this new feature called Report Writing Sub-Agent. It generates detailed, structured reports, and it is especially useful for literature reviews and summaries and long-form research tasks. Just ask it to write a report for you. You can specifically ask it to only reference your Zotero account or your library when it's creating this literature review, so it can be more specific. Until now, it's accessed 94 papers, and it also provided the relevance score, relevance tag, and reasoning. It also shows the abstract and a summary of the mechanisms of action. And the literature review is done, and on the right side it's showing the entire literature review with different sections, and when you click on one of it, it's linked to the section corresponding to it. As usual, you can download all of the resulting files, you can save it to your notebook, and there it is, your new literature review on the effects of lemongrass on the CNS. And lastly, now you can also save any .md file to your notebook, so not just Word files, so that you can store them in one place and then refer back to them whenever you like. And that is it. So these are all the new features on SciSpace. If you'd like to visit it, I will leave all the links in the description. I'll also leave discount codes for the pro version so you can check it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.